हाय व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू द किड्स विन चैनल ऑफ बर इंग्लिश अकेडमी। मेरा नाम खुशी है और मैं बर इंग्लिश अकेडमी की एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हूँ। बेसिकली आज हम जाने वाले हैं किड्स विंग के एक ऑफिशियल बैच में जिसका नाम है यंग लीडर्स। उसमें हम ऑर्गेनाइज करने वाले एक सेशन जिसका नाम है ऑब्जेक्टिव कॉन्वर्सेशन। बेसिकली इसमें हम बच्चों को कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स बताने वाले हैं जैसे कि रिमोट, टीवी, फुटबॉल और ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स। उन्हें ये ऑब्जेक्ट्स खुद बनना है और फील करते हुए लोगों से कॉन्वर्सेशन करनी है। इसका मोटिव बहुत सिंपल सा है ताकि बच्चा अपनी क्रिएटिविटी स्किल्स पे काम कर सके, साथ ही साथ अपने कॉन्फिडेंस और चीज़ों की वैल्यू समझ पाए। क्योंकि बर इंग्लिश अकेडमी का मोटिव सिर्फ बच्चों की इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करना नहीं है बल्कि उनकी ओवरऑल पर्सनालिटी को ग्रो करना है। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा सेशन।
I am Bat and she is my partner Ball. And today we are going to do a conversation. So let's embark it. Oh Bat, what are you doing? You are hitting me. I will hit you. Oh. Why you hit me always? Do you know? Alone you also people play with me. Why? I am a bat. I can kick you. I can beat you anytime. Why anytime? Why can't I? I am a small little ball. And do you know students compare me with a mosquito. And some aunties cut me as well. Do you know when children kick me up, so I go to the window of neighbors and then that neighbors cut me. And you are so bad, you are so dirty. See, I am so clean. You know that there is the many kinds of cost of the bats. The bat is expensive, but the ball is so cheap. Oh wait. But I am not those balls who are very common. Do you know what? No, I am not. I am not common. Do you know? I am from Africa because Africans. I am from America. Oh, American bat, go from here. Go. Where go? You have to go. Why I have to go? Always I grow. People play with the hockey stick as well. So what you have to say? People play with me and you people love you. People sleep with you. Yes, you are saying right that I am so good of the people. Oh, but let's be friends. Will you be my friend? Friends, I will beat you so much. Go. Why to go? I will not go. I will also beat you. Now guys, do you know? Make me new with hard things that I can beat this bat. Make the bat that much and ball bigger than the moon. It should be like the sun, very hot that aunties cannot break it. So hello everybody. Today I'm your favorite food, the potato, and I am bitter gourd. And people respect me though they don't buy me and don't go at the name. I am Karela. Okay. Do you know I am the means popular food ever and everybody loves to eat me. Yeah, everyone loves me, but you should be a little unique like me. People cries to eat me like I don't wanna eat, and I'm so healthy more than you. I'm also healthy. I comes from the stem, and from where do you come? From the soils and etc. I'm the best food ever, best vegetable ever, and everybody who are sitting here loves to eat me. Then why potato comes in the junk food? You would say why does it come? French fries. It's also made up of potato and it comes in the junk food. And I don't. No, it doesn't come. Okay. It doesn't comes in the means French fry doesn't comes in the junk food. Then why its name? Why do people say it is potato French fries? It's not like that. But Karela, there's a state named as you, Karela means. So I'm so popular, that's why. And you are not. And the Karela means Kerala has taken the shape of you. All of people copies you, but me, they respect me, and everybody copies. Haha, that's why I'm the winner. That's why they copy me. How can I express? I'm so beautiful. That's why they copy me. And you are not. That's why you are beautiful. You are not great. I'm looking good. That's why you are beautiful. Guys, please. Is she looking? Is the Karela beautiful? See the shape of it. It is so bitter and everybody taste. It's healthy for our body. It's healthy for our body, but everybody should like it. So, do you all guys love to eat Karela? Yes. Most of the people don't love to eat Karela because it's so bitter, and everybody loves to eat mine as potato, and it is healthy as well for your body. When it dips in the oil, then it's not healthy, and that's why never judge the food by its name or its taste. It is overall, all the vegetables are healthy for our body. And follow this suggestion and eat all the vegetables and fruits, and they would be so healthy for you in your future. Thank you. Guys, have you seen the cartoon named Tom and Jerry? So don't be scared, because I am the that only. I am the Jerry.
And I'm the one who chased Jerry always. The Tom, the king, the leader, cat.
And I always make trap for him, and he also got fooled by me several other times.
Yeah, and I always catch him. So let's embark our performance.
So, hi Tom, how are you?
I am nice.
If you are nice, so I'm super nice.
Oh, but now I will catch you and I will eat you.
You can't even catch me. Have you catch me anytime?
I've got you.
See, if we will work on a team,
See or listen.
and the Jerry. Okay, if you will be a cat, so if I will not be there in the Tom and Jerry, so how can you catch me? But
But I am that much popular that without you, I can also be a superstar, right, love? Like I am.
no, you are not a superstar. You are Joker.
Yeah.
Like you always run after me. That's why you are a Joker.
Yeah, and I always catch you, na. That's why.
Why you are saying you catch me? Never. You have never caught me.
Have you seen my power? Have you seen my friends?
That's why you are too much dubla.
Yes, and see yourself, that much small. You are my dinner.
If I'm your dinner, so you are my owner.
Who eats you? Yeah. See, I also have this fork and I will eat you.
If you are my owner, if you are my owner, so that's why you respect me, na? That's why you give me food, very delicious food, and you always respect me that please don't go. If you will go, so I will not have fun.
But you are my friend also and my delicious dinner also. Without you, my stomach would be that much hungry.
Yeah, but you have never caught me because I made several traps for you, and you can even cross that.
Yeah, because I'm bigger now, that's why.
You are bigger, so how can you cross? I'm the most tiniest one, and I can also fit in the bill of
You are afraid of Myra, that's why you go in your bill. Come in the house, in between of house.
You are saying very wrong. So guys, as we see here that the Tom and Jerry, a cartoon which was not a cartoon, that was an emotion of our childhood, and the Jerry who always run and make the traps for the Tom.
And they both were not enemies, they both were friends. And like this, we have to also apply in our life. We should not be enemy of anyone. And this was only the learning of this performance today. Thank you.
So, जैसा कि आपने इन 6 से 7 साल के बच्चों को कॉन्फिडेंटली परफॉर्म करते हुए देखा, अगर आप भी चाहते हैं कि आपका बच्चा इसी कॉन्फिडेंट के साथ लोगों तक अपनी बातें पहुंचाए, सो जॉइन बर इंग्लिश अकेडमी. द कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर इज इन डिस्क्रिप्शन. सो ऐसे ही और इंटरेस्टिंग सेशंस को देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब बरी किड्स विंग.